Hey, this JD and FIA. I'm gonna show you a closeout you can do in G flat. All right, coming off of the 4. Normally you will say 4, 3, 2, 5, then go to the 1, but we're gonna go to a G7. This is a sharp 1 chord. All right, and then go to the 1. All right, so we're in G flat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. All right. We're starting off on our 4, which is our B major 7 chord. Very simple chords. All right. Left hand, I'm playing a. I'm not going to call this C flat. I'm going to call it B. All right. So B and G flat with the left hand. Right hand, I'm playing the B flat and E flat, but I'm coming off the D flat to hit the E flat. Next chord, playing a B flat minor 7 chord. Left hand, I'm playing B flat and F. Right hand, I'm playing A flat and D flat. Next chord, I'm playing an A flat minor 7. Left hand, I'm playing A flat, E flat. Right hand, I'm playing G flat and B. Now I'm gonna go to my G7. I'm just gonna slide everything down. It has step. So I have G and D on my left hand. Right hand I have F and B, tritone. And then I'm just gonna bring the B to a B flat on my right hand. And I'm gonna play G flat and D flat on my left hand. So I have a G flat major 7 chord. So you can kind of play with it. See how it works for you. All right, hope that helps. Thanks.